Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add listing products from CJ Dropshipping onto your Wix site. Now, CJ Dropshipping used to have an app on Wix. Now, let me show you what I mean by that. Now, if I go to Add Apps here on the Wix website editor, and I go to App Market, and I go to the search bar here, and I search CJ Dropshipping. I search it. Now, you'll see there's only two apps that appears, and neither of them are CJ dropshipping, right? You might Google it, and you might find the CJ dropshipping app still in the Wix app market, just outside of your website. So you might think, oh yeah, so it's maybe just a bug. CJ dropshipping just doesn't appear in the search bar normally. So let me just add it from here. Let's click on Add to Site. And let's go to site selector and select our actual website to add it in. But as you can see, this app is no longer available for whatever reason. So what do we do with that? Now on CJ Dropshipping, there is a thing called manual listing, right? So let me log in real quick. And let's find our actual products that we want to list. So for example, this new plush shipper, right? Now, when I say manual shipping, we do need to manually list it on our store. So right now, what we need to do is that this is the product we want, right? So let's just click on list. Now on the list here, you'll see that there's a lot of things we can add, but the thing we want to focus on is this, the variant pricing, the image and videos, and also the description. So the thing we want to do is that we'll need to go from here one by one and copy all of it onto Wix, right? So you go to catalog, you go to store products, you go to a new product, physical product or digital product, depending on what you're drop shipping, and then copy everything from this one to Wix. So that means downloading all the images and videos, copying all of the description, and copying all of the prices here onto Wix. Now, of course, this might be a little cumbersome because you need to add the product name here and then download the images and put it here, add the description here, info selection, the price, all of it you'll need to do manually. So unless you must use CJ Dropshipping, I would recommend for you to use another app that similar to CJ Dropshipping, and it's just another brand. So if I search dropshipping here, for example, you'll see there'll be a lot of dropshipping app that you can use besides CJ Dropshipping. But if you must use CJ Dropshipping, then you can go to this particular menu here, and then you can copy and paste all of it manually onto Wix.